Okay, we are just about to the 2.5 minute mark, and you guys can't probably see on the video, but there's a tiny amount of steam coming out, not too much. So I think that the 30 minutes is going to be a pretty good time. We want this to be moist in the middle. It's not going to be like a piece of charcoal. We don't want it just crunchy all the way through. We want there to be some crunch on the outside and some nice moisture texture on the inside. So I just wanted to show you that you can now see that the steam is basically gone. All right, I'll give you a video when it's done. Okay, so I've cut it in half. And you can see that the inside has got red bell peppers, the onions, the garlic, the sweet potato coming apart here a little bit. And it's still piping hot. So what I'm going to do, this is definitely a serving for two. I used one sweet potato, you saw the size, and a big giant russet potato, which were both pre-cooked and cooled overnight in the refrigerator. So I'm going to turn this over so that you can see both sides. So this is absolutely delicious. It's got almost a half of a bunch of kale. So like you buy the bunch at the grocery store, I took half of that. And then a small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a bell pepper. So there is a lot of nutrition in here. Resistant starch from the sweet potato and the russet because they were cooked and cooled. So that gives you resistant starch. So what you can also do to jazz this up is you could put some lentils on top, and oh my gosh, that would be so good. So Nick and I'll be doing a cooking demonstration for Adventist Health up in Paradise this Wednesday. I'll post the information today, and this is one of the items that we'll be doing a cooking demonstration on. So bon appetit. I'm going to have breakfast.